Seen outside of court as Alex Jones walked into the courthouse, but then just a few minutes later walking back outside, saying he was told he was not testifying today. I asked him if he plans on staying in the state, and he says he's going to have to stay until the trial is over as he waits to take the stand. Much like on his show InfoWars, he was not quiet about what he thinks of his trial or what he thinks about the judge. He says the judicial system is under attack and that he was forced to say he's guilty, although he says he is innocent.
She's now ordered me to not say I'm innocent and ordered me to say that I have not profited from Sandy Hook. That's ordering me to perjure myself. I will not perjure myself under the orders of a judge. This has never before been done in U.S. history.
This is the first day Jones has been in court since the trial began, although again he did not testify. He says he was told to be here today, but says he was now told to be back sometime next week. Jones has already been vocal on what he thinks of the trial on his show, calling the judge a puppet and calling the trial cuckoo land. The prosecution aiming to prove Jones profited off his Sandy Hook lies, calling the shooting a hoax, and the families of the victims actors. Now, Jones tells us he did not profit and says his comments hurt his business and he lost employees. However, corporate attorney for InfoWars parent company Free Speech Systems, Brittany Paz, testified she did not know an exact profit number, but said it's fair to say the company has made $100 million between 2012 and now. Prosecutors say Jones had a massive audience growth after his lies, which led to advertisers and supplement sales. A jury must decide how much Jones has to pay several of the families of the victims because a judge has already found him liable of damages. Now, at this point, it's still unclear when Jones is set to testify. Outside of court, there were a few supporters yelling "Free Jones," but there was an increased police presence outside of the courthouse. And for that full interview with Alex Jones, you can head to Fox 61 Plus. In Waterbury, Lindsay Kane, Fox 61 News.